what's going on, everyone? Moose here, Airguns of Michigan, and today we've got my BSA Gold Star SE 177. This is my HFT gun, and finally have the scope on it, finally have it out to the range to get it relatively sighted in. You know, there's a lot of work that goes into an HFT gun. You know, I still have to get my my dope on my wheel and all that stuff at all my different ranges. And here I am, I'm shooting 50 yards. I'm shooting the JSB extra, or the exact heavy Diabolos in the 10.34 grains. And this thing is a tack driver, even in this wind. I am really thoroughly impressed. So I got it sighted in on one target. I'm going to switch over to the other target. We're going to set the camera up so that you guys can watch this thing shoot. And we're going to send, I don't know, we'll send 10 or so downrange. Let me get this puppy set up real quick. Get her nice and set up. I wish I could zoom in a little bit more on that target down there. But, you know, you guys will just have to trust the fact that I'm being honest. And that's what I do. So let's go ahead and start sending some rounds down. We'll do a 10-yard group, and then we'll walk down with the camera, and we'll show you guys what I got. This wind is extra crazy today. I'm aiming at the center diamond on that left target down there. At the very top of it, I'm using that as my aim point. And I mean, for a 177 in the wind that we have, right now the wind's kind of calmed down a little bit, but it's doing really well. That was 3. Here's number 4. And yes, I am a quick shooter. It's one of my downfalls. I probably need to slow down on occasion here, but 5, 6. Goes number 7. Number 8. Number 9. And I'm sure this gun's more accurate than I am. And last one, number 10. What a joy to shoot. Awesome. Go ahead and open that breech up. Put her on safety. So yeah, so there we have 10 shots. Got to walk over and turn on our lights so everybody knows I'm walking down range. I am the only one here on the range today, which makes it kind of nice because I don't have to you know, wait for everybody to get done shooting. But what an amazing gun. This thing really is super fun to shoot, and I can't wait to get it into the HFT realm. I got a group of guys together, and we're gonna start doing some HFT stuff and start to have some fun and getting together a group here in my area shooting field target. So yeah, what a great group. There you have it. There you go. There's 10 shots, and I'm gonna go back and shoot some more. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the intro video to the Gold Star, and hopefully you guys are interested in doing some hunter field target. What a great sport it really is. And even with my Viroc, I'm actually thinking about doing some Springer HFT. So I think it'll be fun. It's a good challenge. So till next time, my Moose, this is Airguns of Michigan, and we'll see you guys real soon. It's beautiful out, and the range is always open, and I'm gonna keep shooting. So till next time, take care, be good, God bless.